Today we are going to go over the elimination quiz. We have 2x minus 6y equals negative 6 and 2x plus 5y equals 16. In order to eliminate, we have to have the same number, but one has to be positive and one has to be negative. We got the same number, but they're both positive. So I'm going to change every single number. I can change every single number because it's the same as multiplying by 1. So that becomes a negative, that becomes a positive, that becomes a positive. And I changed the top because I wanted to get rid of those negatives. Now, 2 minus 2 is gone. 6 plus 5 gives me 11y. 6 plus 16 gives me 22. Divide both sides by 11, and I end up with y equals 2. Take my original equation, 2x minus 6. I'm going to replace the y with a 2. Equals negative 6. 2x minus 12 equals negative 6. Add 12 to both sides. I get 2x equals 6, and divide by 2. X equals 3. So my answer is 3, 2. Second problem. I have negative 4x minus y equals negative 25. Negative 6x plus 8y equals 10. These are not the same. These are not the same. I can't eliminate unless I get them the same. Which one's going to be the easiest? There's not a really pretty number that 4 times 4 equals 6. So I could times this by 6 and this by 4, and that would make those both 24. But this is a 1 and this is an 8. So if I just times this by 8, 1 times 8 will make 8. It's already negative. That one's positive. It'll do the trick. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32x. 8 times 1 is minus 8y. 8 times 25, grab a calculator for that, even though it's 200. 8 times 25, let's try it again. It is 200. Is equal to, and it's a negative, so negative 200. Now I add them together. 6 and negative 32. Negative 6 and negative 32 make negative 38. Negative 210 make negative 190. Divide both sides by negative 38. And I get negative 190 divided by negative 38, 5. X equals 5. I can plug it into any of the equations. I'm going to go with the very top one. It's got smaller numbers. So I've got negative 4. Replace the x with the 5. Minus y equals negative 25. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Minus y equals negative 25. I'm going to go ahead and add the y so I don't have to divide by a negative 1. And add 25. Negative 25 minus 5. Positive 25 minus 20 is 5. Open that up a little bit. So then I have 5 equals y. So my answer is 5, 5, x, y. Alright, that's the elimination quiz. Good luck! See me if you have questions before you do your actual test.